Did you know that you can use Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch now? Yes, you are now able to configure it on your Galaxy Watch, starting with the Watch 4. So in today's video, we'll be going over exactly how you can do it. So the first thing you want to do is go into your watch. Then once you're in the apps menu, scroll down until you see the Google Assistant icon, which should be these 4 circles of various sizes and colors. So simply tap into it and then tap on Get Started. It will then tell you to continue on your phone. Then when you look up at your phone, you'll see this screen right here, guiding you through this whole setup process. So what you want to do is tap on Setup, and then it will connect to your watch. Then you just simply hit Next, and then it will continue the process. Then simply just go either I agree or skip for this process, where you can trigger Google Assistant with the phrase "Hey Google." So let's just go with agree. And then also you have to go for a bunch of additional permissions step by step. Basically, this wizard will guide you through the whole process. When everything's set up, you get this screen telling you that everything has been configured successfully. Now, if you want to access the assistant, you can either go back to that app menu and tap on the assistant icon, which is kind of inconvenient. So you can usually just say the phrase "Hey Google" and it is going to activate instead. Alternatively, you can also go into the settings and set it to be your assistant of choice when you hold down on your home button. So what you want to do is swipe down and go into settings. Then once you're there, scroll down a bit until you see buttons and gestures. At that point, you can go into the press and hold section, and you can set your assistant to be the Google Assistant. So that's exactly what the whole process looks like. As you can see, it's very simple and just requires your watch and your phone. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.